Join me as I take an in-depth look at the 2025 Cadillac XT6, a luxury SUV that combines bold design, innovative technology, and premium comfort. This three-row midsize SUV is Cadillac's answer to the competitive luxury crossover market, offering a balance of sophistication and performance. But does it live up to expectations? Let's dive in and find out. The 2025 Cadillac XT6 is designed to be a versatile, family-friendly luxury SUV with a bold presence. Its exterior is defined by a striking front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted body that exudes confidence. Cadillac's signature vertical lighting elements enhance the premium look, while available 21-inch alloy wheels provide a commanding stance on the road. Stepping inside, the XT6 offers a spacious and elegantly crafted interior. High-quality materials like real wood, carbon fiber accents, and semi-aniline leather upholstery create a refined atmosphere. The 2025 model continues Cadillac's focus on premium comfort, with heated and ventilated front seats, an ultra-plush second row, and a power-folding third row for added convenience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of openness. Under the hood, the 2025 XT6 retains its reliable powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Perfect for those who prioritise fuel efficiency. For drivers seeking more power, the available 3.6-litre V6 engine delivers 310 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but for enhanced traction and control, all-wheel drive is available. Cadillac's signature ride quality shines in the XT6, thanks to its well-tuned suspension that balances comfort and handling. The Sport trim takes performance up a notch with an adaptive suspension and a quicker steering ratio, providing a more engaging drive. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the XT6 offers a refined, composed ride. Technology is at the forefront of the XT6's appeal. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 33-inch curved OLED display, offering stunning clarity and an intuitive user interface. Cadillac's latest infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. A 19-speaker AKG premium sound system is available, delivering concert-quality audio for an immersive experience. Another standout feature is the enhanced Super Cruise system, Cadillac's hands-free driving assistant. Using LiDAR mapping and real-time sensors, Super Cruise allows for semi-autonomous highway driving on compatible roads, making long trips more effortless and reducing driver fatigue. Safety is a priority in the XT6, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. For additional peace of mind, the XT6 offers an available surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, and night vision technology, which enhances visibility in low light conditions. Cargo space is another strong point for the XT6. With all seats up, the XT6 provides 12.6 cubic feet of cargo space. Folding down the third row expands this to 43.1 cubic feet, and with both rear rows folded, the maximum capacity reaches an impressive 78.7 cubic feet. Whether you're packing for a road trip or hauling everyday essentials, the XT6 delivers practicality without compromising luxury. Fuel efficiency varies by powertrain. The 2.0-litre turbocharged engine achieves an estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway, while the V6 option delivers around 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. While these numbers are competitive, fuel economy isn't the XT6's strongest suit compared to some hybrid rivals in its class. Comparing the XT6 to competitors like the Audi Q7, BMW X5, and Acura MDX, Cadillac's offering stands out for its spaciousness, user-friendly technology, and striking design. The XT6 may not be the sportiest in the segment, but it delivers a smooth, luxurious ride with a premium feel. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Cadillac XT6 starts at around $50,000 for the base luxury trim, with higher-end sport and premium luxury trims reaching up to $65,000 when fully loaded. For those looking for a balance of opulence, technology, and space, the XT6 provides a strong value in the luxury SUV market. Driving the XT6 is an experience in itself. The cabin is exceptionally quiet thanks to Cadillac's active noise cancellation, ensuring a serene environment. The V6 engine delivers strong acceleration, and the responsive transmission makes gear shifts seamless. Steering is light yet precise, making the XT6 easy to maneuver despite its size. For buyers seeking a 3-row luxury SUV with high-end amenities, intuitive technology, and a comfortable ride, the XT6 is a compelling option. It may not have the same level of performance as some German rivals, but it makes up for it with a smooth driving experience, a stylish presence, and a well-appointed interior. So, what do you think about the 2025 Cadillac XT6? Have you taken it for a test drive? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive insights.